Hello everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later and get in the habit of rewatching my replay sessions and see where I make mistakes. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's go. It's 5 a.m. on the next day. I have this H4 inducement. There is this liquidity, also this one, which is the last liquidity of this leg. There's also this one, which is also in H4. Maybe price will take everything, maybe not. If price takes this liquidity, this is the POI. There's also this one and this one. Right now H1 is bearish. Yeah, I don't think I should mark anything here. Maybe this was H4 internal, but like right here there is a POI, but I don't think the price is going to, maybe, I don't know, maybe price taps here and then go up. Maybe we can try to long here, but for now price is bearish H1, so I wanna try to follow that, but you need to wait for M5. Meanwhile, I can short here after this M5 inducement. This is the POI, and this is the extreme of the POI. There's also this bigger area. This is the unmitigated, this is unmitigated, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I could have shorted here. I didn't notice that price was efficient on M5. These wicks, this wicks touched here, so it makes price efficient, and I could have traded here. Yeah, manipulation, tap into the POI. Yeah, I made a mistake there. Another manipulation. The POI is huge. Maybe rest can stop here. but it's too close to the TP. Maybe if I target here, but there's too much room for price to go up. Ended up just tapping the POI and coming down. Okay, take the liquidity. And tap the POI. Okay, didn't give any entry. Took the last low. No entry still. Now manipulate them 5. This is the POI. Okay, tapped. Then switch. Maybe if price comes up in here and I can short. I could do like this as well, but I wanna put my stop loss above the PY. Maybe now? $3R. Yeah, looks good. I'm safer here with my stop loss here. Yeah, didn't work. So now I'll wait for price to turn, or maybe I can long. Let's see if it gives them one manipulation. Oh, already gave verse. I don't like this short because price is going up, but maybe it works. A very strong push up. This is just seems like a random POI. Oh, it's also H1 POI, so that's a little bit better. Broke the low, broke the high. I'll try something like this. I would prefer to long right now to follow these mitigations up, but I can't. Price is not efficient for me to long. So just gotta wait. Maybe I should exit here. This would be the safer target. Yeah. I'll try to close here. Just to get 2R. Because I already lost one here. Okay. This move is kinda strong. Price will stop at the break, but I don't use the break to trade, to enter positions. Let's just wait and see what happens. It's probably going to break this, it seems. Like price is mitigating up. Can I long here? Only internal. I'm not gonna do internal. Okay. No. There's like 1, 2. Yeah, I can try to long here. Manipulation. POI. Candle. Maybe until here. Yeah, I had a feeling this will happen. Tap this and mitigate the POI. Also M5 manipulation. There is this POI. And this one, which kinda aligns with this. So I'm just gonna leave this one open. Showing, I mean. Okay, tap the POI and then strong push up. So I can try like this. Okay. Take this. And now it will go up. Take liquidity. Didn't tap any POI. This will be the inverse manipulation and 5, but there is no POI here. Kinda tricky price action. Can I short here? Oh yeah, I can. Like one leg, two. This was the third one. Maybe it was mitigated? No. Yeah, I could have shorted here. Fuck, I missed this one. And now price is efficient to both sides. Took a liquidity, tap the POI, we can go up. And these mitigations are going down. Inverse internal manipulation. Equal lows. So price was like this. Manipulation, then come down. So it was here to here. And it broke this. This was my inducement point. We need to break this. Okay, now I have a bad feeling about this short, but I can do it. It's valid. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. Very tricky price action. I'm always on the wrong side of the market. Try to think something that I missed. Manipulation, tap the POI. Maybe this POI was wrong? Maybe I should have... no, it's fine. Yeah, it was a buy to sell on M1, so that was okay. Yeah, I guess it was just part of the game. Okay, M5 manipulation. There is only this candle. Unmitigated. Maybe we can short, price comes here. And we can also long right now. Tap the beginning of the POI. Too big of a stop loss. Broke the POI, this one. And 5. Huge POI. It's just not worth it. It's valid, but it's not worth it right now. Okay, now there's this manipulation, and there is this POI. This would be better. Okay. Damn. I was thinking about entering here again, but I got afraid to take another stop loss in a row. Yeah, and the day is finished. Damn, today was very hard again. Let's see the trades that I missed. 5 again. Yeah, there was a short here that I missed. Manipulation. Tapped the 50%, gave the huge candle. Could have done something like this. And then price on tap this POI. Manipulation. POI. The beginning of the POI. These candles I was not very comfortable with, because should I use this candle or this candle? Like, very confusing. That's why I waited here at least. Took the last low. This short was fine because M5 manipulation, POI. This was also fine, I think, because manipulation. Maybe it wasn't fine because there was no POI tapped here. It was only a manipulation, like the bigger POI was 50% was already mitigated. Like maybe this I could have used was already mitigated as well. Maybe I could have avoided this one. And then here this long was fine because price was still going up. Manipulation. POI was all of this, but just sell to buy. Gave the candle. And then there was another POI here, which I think it was, oh, the beginning of the POI was mitigated. I didn't notice. Only the 50% was open, so this was not a valid stop. Could be avoided. And then here was another POI, but I was waiting for M1. Maybe I could have logged here somewhere, like this. Manipulation, tapped into this POI. I probably would have used like this, the 50%, and it was not going to be tapped. And then I saw this one, huge POI, taps on the beginning and went up. Yeah, only one or two trades that I mistook, and I missed some, but I think it was a hard day, and I don't know what to think about this day. It was kind of hard. Price was efficient for both sides. Took this, then went up, but it could also go down. Yeah, usually in these scenarios I get fucked up. Like I need to learn how to trade on these scenarios. But it's okay. -6 are kinda high, but it's okay. I know that the kind of scenario usually fucks me, and I need to work on that. Alright, so thank you guys. God bless you. Alright, so thank you guys. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.